Hi YouTube, these are the different kind of pellets I use for my airgun. You can order pellets on Amazon. I will put a link in the description. So these are the Barracuda accurate heavy pellets. I use them to shoot through paper targets. It's a heavy pellet. You can use it to shoot on rats or birds, so pest control. Then you have the silver point. It's kind of the same but with a sharper point, and that means a high impact. It's for guns that produce more than 25 joule, but they also sell them in lower grain and for every kind of caliber. Then you have the hollow points. These are the best for heavy magnum bucks, maximum shock, and Barracuda Hunter Extreme. It's like kind of the same like the magnums, but they aren't as heavy. It's like it's like how they made, because of the design. You can only use them up to 25 joule, and these are for air guns higher than 25 joule. And these are my favorite pellets: Predator Polymag premium hunting pellets, because of the sharp polymer point, and the design. There is a incomparable penetration and expansion, and a high accuracy. I can recommend them for hunting. You won't find better pellets than these. And this is for shooting at things, also silver points, and these are good to hunt as well, but they're not as accurate as a Predator. So that's it. Thanks for watching. When you need pellets, you can order them on Amazon. Bye.